So finally, here are all the parts so I can complete the front end and the fork installation. The new billet triple clamp had to be modified somewhat. We had to weld the holes up and re-drill them to accept the saddle for the handlebar mounts. And the speedometer bracket, which worked out just fine as a result. So this is ready to go on. The bushings that bush down the tube diameter, as you can see here on the lower clamp, we made these 4 bushings to allow us to use this fork with disc brake setup, which I prefer to the reverse type of forks. I just don't like the looks of them. So, one step forward.